What's up guys, Networks is here, and in this video we're gonna check out the new Orca001 microphone from Tonor. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright, so in the box we got the paper guide, USB Type-C to USB Type-A, a boom R adapter, and the mic itself with the stand. First thing you notice in this mic is the build quality. Unlike other budget microphone, this mic is very well designed and the stand is completely from metal. It's not plastic and cheap metal. This microphone has this very good looking red contrast shock mount, which I really like. To set up the microphone, all you gotta do is plug the USB Type-C to the mic and the other side of USB Type-A to your computer. So in front of the mic we got this really cool LED light that detects the volume of the microphone. You can change the volume with this button that is underneath the LED light. I myself see this as a pretty good option to have, especially at this price range. You can enable this feature by simply pressing on this button. On the bottom of the microphone we got the USB Type-C adapter, which is the mic connected to, and you got the headphone jack option where you can connect your headphones. So yeah, now let's do a quick sound test of this microphone. Alright guys, this sound is coming straight from TONOR ORCA001 Orca microphone. You can hear probably the background noise and stuff because it's still not in noise cancellation mode. And as you guys can see, I have it on green light, which means it's the balance volume. I can turn it high and I can turn it low. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep it green for now. You can probably hear the background noise, and now let's test if the noise cancellation actually works. Alright guys, as you can see, this is the noise cancellation mode. I think it's pretty awesome because for $70 you don't get this type of stuff that they offer. And the other feature that they got is this, you can see on the top they got this mute button, and when I press it again, you guys can hear anything right now. Alright guys, so if you want to get this microphone for yourself, you can check the link in the description down below. I put the link there. So yeah, check them out, and you can see that this microphone is not cheap microphone. It costs around 69 bucks, which is not that much for a microphone with this high quality. So yeah, check them out in the link in the description down below. Alright guys, as you saw the sound quality, you can pretty clearly see that this microphone is not those cheap microphone that you get, and for only 69 bucks you get this really cool microphone, and it has all the features, you name it. So yeah, check the link in the description down below to get yours. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.